Oh my god! Trampoline! Trampoline!
Oh ja, tak.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Did you?
Bitch, now stand up and ride. I only thought you out so I could beat your ass a second time. Roar like Chewbacca, the voice of Mufasa. I'm on the leader of your Olympic Mufasa. I strike back hard against a Nazi. Brain toss your ass in the air, Yahtzee. Ask Indiana Jones who the fuck I am. I spit sick shit so focused I break your concentration camp. I'm a certified Sith Lord, you runt, so suck on these.
These what, sir?
These robot nuts! I'm gonna enjoy watching you die, so let me do it with my food.
You look stressed, Vader! You appear to be in pain! You need a vacation. Here, take a trip on my tray! I mean, you leading an army of white men? Disgraceful! Even your mic skills still aren't fully operational! You got wife bitch pregnant and gave in to the hate! Now you're 6'6" in black but can't get a date! Ugh, lightsaber! You need a lifesaver! Use some of your force to fix your fucking respirator! You think you're powerful with your fingerneck pinches? You couldn't even get your own son into the family business! Everything you do is an epic fail! Now stand at attention and think fucking hair! What's wrong, Annie? Can't take anymore? Not surprising coming from the Emperor's whore! Yeah, take that! What's the matter? Where is the DJ? Why are you laughing?
Because you're standing over the rank orbit.
Hold on! Holster! You the hard! I bet what you up all over the board! Dr. Seuss! Was it? William Shakespeare! Begin!
Come bite my thumb, I hope you know the stakes. I'll put a slug between your shoulder blades, then I'll squat like through yonder poser breaks. I have been iambic on that assy bastard. My rhyme's a classic. Your crap is drafted by kindergartner high on acid. Yo, man, you're an old white soldier boy who has no swag and no gonads. Egads, it's so sad. And to top it off, you're not a doctor. I've never seen a softer author. You cook, you. I bet you wrote the Twilight books too. Would I, could not on a boat. Read any of the boring ass plays you wrote. Even Horton doesn't want to hear you. And Cindy Lou Who is afraid to go near you. You bore people to death. You leave a classroom looking like the Eddie Macbeth. I entertain a child of any age. You gotta translate what you said on the opposite page. How you gonna battle with a cat in a hat? Little kids get scared when I step on the mat. Think your ruffleneck ass gonna rap to that? I got a best-selling book about me coming back. I'm switching on my style like the Beatles with my pieces. Each is such a wonder with a plethora of features are pathetically predictable. You're thinking doom mining through the trisyllabic meter and some ghetto muppet creatures. The bard is in the building, it's a castle, I'm a boss. Better parliament, the positive, I'm killing it, I'm iller than the plague. And never caught a cholera, a balla on some cricket bowler business while you're sitting in the bleachers. You rap fast, you do. Yes, you rap fast, it's true. Now let's see how you rap versus things 1 and 2.
Yo, you may have wrote the script, but now we're running the show. You can take your fancy words and send them back home to your mama. Break a foot off in your ass with our feety pajamas. Then we'll cook you up and eat you with some ham and green eggs. We'll break off with your leg, make no mistake, we in the rain. All does not end well when we bust out a gate. You getting upstage, Bill? Yo, you just got played.
Hold on! Holster! You the hard!
You know, I don't know if you guys had any of that pie already, but that is some tasty stuff. That's from the bake set.
Oh, one down. I know somebody who won't think.
I'm starting to feel funny.
Well, I feel fine, I guess.
Oh boy! That means I win!
Oh God! Why didn't anybody tell me?
Oh my God, my insides are...
No, please, no more, no more.
Dad, I'm scared.
Get the phone. Call 911. Lois! Lois! Lois, get in here!
Okay. I think it's all gone. I think... I don't want it. Peter, I need you to hold my ear.
Who wants chowder?
Well, this thing is worthless. Like my Palestinian alarm clock.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah!
You guys did this! You guys did this!
Know me. I'm into a lot of different stuff. What, you hear something?
Nah, it's all good.
All right.